car's here.
Again, all over you.
You got a tissue, anyone?
Enjoyed it this morning?
Very nice.
I'm cool, aren't I?
Brown. What time is Central?
Do you?
Come on. Yes. That'll not turn out.
You're cheating. You didn't go in.
Outside.
Kevin, I'm going up.
on, I'm sorry.
Live on an island, don't you? Live on an island, don't you?
What you doing?
Oh, that's good, Mark.
We could have a telephone like that, too. You can never hear of it. When you took to your doorbell, I was on that doorbell.
You got sleep.
Oh, she didn't. Right, if she's had a load of cake, she will.
Shut up.
Between me and John.
Bella. Do you like shoes?
He'll be awake in a bit.
Take John 10 minutes to be right.
I said to him not to, unless it's your granddad's that answers, just ask for your granddad. If it's not in, yeah, or in car. This is John's drink in a minute, love. She's just having a yak with us, Ron. Towel up. So, yeah, we'll watch this.
The job is made of wood.
Oh, dear.
I like to think
Stuart's there with him.
Here's his card.
We're going to need a lot of money. We're going to need a lot of money now.
Yeah, well, he'll put his 10 penny pieces in one box and 5 penny pieces in the other.
We need a real lot of money.
Oh, let's have a look at that show.
When you get to walk, you've got to
Yeah, Michael. Brush it. It's got sellotape on it there. Yes, another kind of like it. It's open mine now. It's open mine. Next. I know what this is going to be. It's mine. My gift to my granddad. I'm going to thank that. Thanks for the card. Yeah. Bet you love these. That's for me. You know what I said, is it? I'll put it in the back there. One for me. So you like it? Yeah, it's not good. Yeah, but there's that was from me. Well, that's very nice, that. Is Holly not going to work? It's going to be an ornament. Katie? Yes, let Holly on. Let Holly on. Inside. And you don't know. No, I shouldn't talk now. Don't meet up next. I'll loosen it a bit more. It's really lovely. Oh, that's lovely as well. Oh, they all deserve that. There was a little blue boy in. That's a thank you. A little blue boy. There should be a little blue ball in it. A little blue ball. Anyway, it's not. Put one here with his car. Should be a blue ball somewhere. Probably the car. No, I don't know what this is. It's not mine. It's not careful, mate. No, there wasn't. Oh, is it got two? Watch her in the face when she finds out where it is. I got that one. I got that one for Holly. That's the one. I got that for Holly. No. We are going to see the last one. Yeah. Oh, thanks. That's nice.
Well, once I talk about bank account, just to fill his money box, he's done.
Save you back. Yeah.
Don't try them, Stuart. Like this.
What are you doing with that? To Alison, I think that's what she keeps doing, going around looking at them.
What is it? I don't know.
Yeah, what's that one?
That teddy bear.
Yeah. Is that the box cat? Yeah. That's nice. That's what Kathleen told
Oh
me.
my God.
It's not one of these.
That was from me.
Lovely that.
It wasn't from me. This one.
You can have 2 eggs for his breakfast now. Every
2 eggs
morning.
with
Every morning.
The greedy thing is that
Nothing in there.
He is green.
Look.
The more kids say it's
That looks like mine. Michael, these are your presents. These are yours. This is all yours.
Ooh, aren't you a lucky boy?
That's yours. That's yours. That's yours. That's yours. That's that. And that. And
Oh, don't blow that way. Oh, dear me.
very nice. My honey. What's this, Robert?
That's the money box. Yeah, that's 10.
That's all as well. I got no, don't leave it in there.
No, they won't. Is that a fork?
Where does this go? Right.
Yeah, made up. Well, this is for Grandad. You do it, Grandad. You doing it, Grandad?
What's that?
Are you going to break my necklace for me, eh?
I've not got my last one mended yet.
No, I don't want you to go there. Isn't it, eh? Whose day is it today, eh?
I went down 8.
Let the girl come downstairs and say, "Are you having a party in here?" Yeah, no one at, well, this one.
Come and give it. Let it go. Do you want to come and get it? Yeah, please.
She'll go back in there and everybody else will be coming in with the plate.
It's a shame that they do. What did you want to drink? Go to reach for it.
Yeah.
And John, are you having one? No, I've just got the drink in. I was asking.
But I do like a chicken leg. Kelly Hurst, apparently. I'm seeing you through it, no, and then you don't come gate crashing again.
Oh dear. Hang on.
Bottle stations. He just wants to play with the necklace.
Yeah, I'm going to stay for a while.
You want what? Knickers? Some fish knickers? What? Okay.
I'm having a party with them. No,